In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora 2, focusing on its simple features. Let's dive right in and explore this fascinating tool. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, in the search bar, go ahead and type the word Sora. This will help us locate the Sora website directly from the search results. You should see the Sora website as one of the top results. Go ahead and click on it to navigate to their homepage. Now that you're on the Sora homepage, you'll notice a variety of video content displayed. One of the best parts about using Sora is the ability to customize the content you see. At the top of the page, you'll find options labeled For You, Following, Top, and Latest. Selecting one of these categories will allow you to tailor the video feed according to your preferences. For instance, if you want to see the most popular content on Sora, simply click Top, and it will filter the most viewed or liked videos for your browsing. Next, let's explore watching a video in more detail. Click on any video that grabs your attention to start playing it. As you watch, you may notice that some videos have a remix version available. This remix functionality offers an exciting way to see alternative versions or edits of the original video content, providing a unique viewing experience. Just look out for the remix option on video pages and give it a try when you want a fresh perspective or an extended version of a clip. By following these steps, you've now successfully explored the basic features of Sora 2 and should be comfortable navigating the platform. This straightforward approach should make your experience enjoyable and satisfying, whether you're looking for trending content, tailored recommendations, or unique remixes. Sora 2 is designed to be intuitive, offering a variety of ways to interact with digital media, and understanding these initial steps paves the way for exploring more advanced features in the future. I hope you found this guide helpful as you begin your journey with Sora 2. Remember, the more time you spend exploring, the more you'll uncover. Thank you for joining me today, and happy viewing.